Good morning, my little darlings. Read your news and then we can read together. All right, let's read together. Here we go. Hi, kids. It is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It will rain. It is Earth Day. How can we help our planet Earth? Great job. It is Earth Day, and we will talk more about that in a little while. I want you to think about that question, how can we help our planet Earth? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and find all my sight words like usual. What's the sight word? It. Correct. What's the sight word? That's the word is. Nice job. All right, I have it again. I have the word will, W-I-L-L. Good job. It and is again. We see those all the time in our news. Good. I see how. I see the word can. I see the word we. I see the word help. Wow, lots of sight words. I see the word our. Good job. All right, next let's go through and find our punctuation since we haven't done that in a few days. All right, first I see an exclamation mark right here. That means I'm excited. Right here I see a period at the end of my sentence, another period, another exclamation mark, and finally we ended with a question. Let's count how many sentences I have, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a long sentence, 5 sentences. Great job. Remember, all my sentences start with a capital letter at the beginning, and they end with punctuation. And I only put that at the end of a thought. See? All right. Great job. Let's do some calendar. Hey, kindergarten. It's day 20 of virtual learning. Can you believe we're on day 20? That's crazy. That's a lot of days. All right. Today is Earth Day. And so, because it's Earth Day, we're going to talk about ways that we can keep our planet Earth healthy. That's our planet Earth right there. Just like we keep our body healthy by exercising and drinking water and eating healthy food, there are things we can do to help keep our planet Earth healthy. So we'll talk about that in a little bit when we're done with calendar math. All right, today is Wednesday. Let's say our days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. 5 and 2 make 7. 5 school days, 2 weekend days. Awesome job. All right, our month is April. April is the 4th month. January, February, March, April. What month comes after April? Think, think, think. The next month after April is May. May is the 5th month. That's coming up next. All right, let's take a look at our pattern and see if you can figure out what comes next. I'm going to start at the beginning and say my pattern. Say it with me if you can. Here we go. Sphere, sphere, cube, come. 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 Sphere. What shape's going to be next? Sphere. Very good. And what number comes after the number 21? I can take 20 and count on to figure that out. 20, 21, 22. Let's see if it's 22 in a sphere. Oh yeah, we got it. Nice job. And it's Wednesday. All right, let's scoot you back and say the whole day. All right. Perfect. Here we go. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. That big number 2020 is our year. Now let's fix our date on here. All right, right now it says April 20th, 2020. We can change our April 21st to a 22. A 2 and a 2. There we go. April 22nd. 2020. Good job, friends. Alrighty. So, today, it is still spring. Our weather's kind of changing. We might get some rain today. but it is getting warmer again, so that's awesome. Now, I want to look at our Post-its, and I want to talk about our number today. So, yesterday was day 19. Today is number 20, and 20 looks like this in dots, okay? So, it's a group of 10 and 10 more. So, 2 groups of 10. That's why we have a 2 in our tens place, because we have 2 groups of 10 and no extra ones. We can even count by tens like this, 10, 20. Let's go ahead and let's count to 100 by 5s and 10s. First, let's do 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Next, let's count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job counting. Keep practicing that at home. All right. So today is day number 20. 20 is our number that's not in the teens. So we have all our teen numbers. And now we have 20. Let's say our funny numbers for our teens. So let's start at 11. Okay? Well, let's say 10, and then we'll do our funny numbers. 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, and our funny number for 20 is 2 10, because we have 2 tens. All right, now let's count them regular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. All right, instead of doing our Post-it game today, we're going to pick a random number and we're going to count on. So we're going to start at 12. Count on to 20. Here we go. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's catch another one. Let's catch 8. Ready? Catch it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Let's try 16. Here's 16. Ready? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome, awesome, awesome job. All right. Now, I'm going to hold up a teen number, and all I want you to do is tell me the name of the teen number, okay? I'm not going to hide it this time. All right, what's the name of this number in the teens? What number is that? That is the number 13. 1 group of 10 and 3 extra ones. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to mix them. What's this one? 19. Good job. 1 group of 10 and 9 extra ones. All right, let's try a hard one. What's this number? What's this one? Yes, 15. 15 is 1 group of 10 and 5 extra ones. All right. What's this one? This one always mixes people up. This is the number 12. 1 group of 10 and 2 extra ones. Right? What's that one? 17. Good job. And this one? 14. All right, awesome job. Now let's talk about how we can help keep our planet Earth healthy.
Hey everyone. So you might remember from our natural resources unit when we talked about how we can help preserve natural resources, the 3 R's. And so this actually shows the 3 R's plus the letter C. And so the 3 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle, and the letter C stands for compost. So we haven't talked about compost yet, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit about that, okay? All right, so the first R is reduce. To reduce is to make something smaller or use less, resulting in a smaller amount of waste. So some ways we can reduce are by buying and using less. We can choose products that are not as wasteful in packaging, so things that have less packaging, not as much packing material, and we can refuse store bags and use our own bags from home. Okay. The next R stands for reuse. So this is extending the life of an item by using it again, repairing it, modifying it, or creating new uses for it instead of throwing it away. So you can wash and reuse plastic utensils. You can use canvases or cloth bags when shopping. You can use washable table napkins instead of paper napkins. Some people also use cloth diapers or reuse their Ziploc bags. There's lots of ways you can reuse things. Another thing you can do is recycle. So recycling is when you process waste and use it as raw materials for new products. So basically that means that they take something and turn it into something new. Lots of things are recyclable. Cans are recyclable, cardboard, old electronics, glass, paper, plastic. Lots of things are recyclable. So if you're able to recycle at your house, that's awesome. And then the last one we haven't talked about yet is composting. So composting is a process where food, yard, and animal waste decompose into new soil. So the cool thing about composting is when you put old scraps of food and compostable paper and things like that in the soil in your compost pile, it makes the soil really, really nutrient dense, and it makes it so that plants really like to grow there. It basically turns it into fertilizer. So that's super cool. All right, on the next screen, we're going to talk about how to sort your recycling. All right, guys, we're going to practice reusing, reducing, and recycling. So here we have some bins. We have a paper bin right here, a plastic and metal bin, a glass bin, and a compost bin. And compost are things that will eventually turn back into dirt if you put them outside. So we're going to go through this messy room and see if we can sort all of the objects. Okay, so first we have a glass jar. So I'm going to put that in the glass bin. Next we have a can. The can is made of metal, so we're going to put it in the metal bin. Then I have a banana peel. That can go in the compost bin. I have a tea bag, and I'm not really sure where the tea bag goes, but I'm going to try the compost bin. Oh, yep, I got it. Awesome. All right, then there's some paper. That can go in the paper bin. We've got an old comic book. That can go in the paper bin, too. All right, now we're done on the other side of the room. Okay, so we have a plastic bottle that can go in the plastic bin. Then we have a glass soda bottle that will go in the glass bin. Okay, I want you to look at these and see if you can figure out where you think they go. What about the apple core? Where should that go? Compost bin. All right, what about a yogurt container? Think about what material that's made out of. Plastic. Okay. Looks like a ketchup jar. That would be glass. Looks like we've got some crumpled up paper over here. That can go in the paper bin. Great job.